Hello, this is the video I wished I'd seen before spending money, so hopefully it'll be useful for you. This is all about the Intelliheat electric blanket or electric throw, this nice soft fleece covering, and when you switch it on, the thing goes round as usual, but then the one starts flashing. Buttons don't do anything. All you can do is turn it off and on again, and it doesn't get hot. So I bought a replacement controller because I thought I'd sort of do some proper testing, and I connected the blanket directly to the mains to see if the blanket worked, and it does. It warms up. Obviously I did this with great care, but the blanket warmed up. Of course, being directly connected to the mains, there was nothing to stop it warming up, so I just put it on very briefly just to test, and also in a safe place where if anything caught fire I could unplug it and not set light to my house. So I figured the blanket must be okay because it still warms up, so I got a replacement controller and it did exactly the same thing that this thing was doing. So I ended up buying a whole new blanket and controller, and my replacement controller works with it, and of course the new controller that came with the blanket also works. So I guess in short what I'm saying is if this one is flashing, it probably means the blanket is faulty, not necessarily the controller. I don't think Dreamland actually sell replacement blankets. They may do. It's worth looking up. If I find out, I'll put it in the description of the video, because that would certainly be useful. Is it repairable? I think I would say no, not practically. Here's the plug where the power goes in. So you've got a live and neutral, and that goes into what looks like a single wire, but it must have two cores, and this is the thing that heats up. And that wire just goes up and down in long loops all through the blanket. But the complication is inside the fleece there is this kind of, I don't know what material this is, but there's a material kind of inner lining, I guess you'd call that, and this has lots of little tubes basically stitched, which the wires go up and down. I guess that keeps them in their position. So one would have to get inside and unpick all of those channels, and my only guess is maybe this wire has got chewed by a cat, possibly. We had kittens at the time, and it might have got some teeth marks in. Quite how the controller unit knows that there's something it doesn't like with the wire, I can only guess it's resistance. The resistance on this one, between the positive and neutral terminals, and the new one is about 3 ohms difference. I think this one's 297, my new one's around 300. So that might be a significant difference. I'm not good enough at the electronics to know really whether that would be it. But anyway, this blanket is just going to be turned into a weighted blanket, and the new one will have to be the heating one. I hope that saved you some money.